This is the ultimate skillet single serving meal. And what it is mini carrots, a slice, big old fat slice of onion on the bottom, a big fat slice of eggplant on top of that, and mushrooms sliced horizontally instead of vertical, and the mini carrots just makes a perfect combination. You put a lid for half an hour, simmer it slowly, and take the lid off and put half a cup of shredded cheese on top of all that. And it makes the best, healthiest, most delicious thing you've ever encountered.